Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the parameters on the new Rollixo IO Premium. First, remove the front cover by removing the screw and taking it off. To enter the parameter settings menu, press the Set button. P0 will flash to indicate that this is the parameter you are adjusting. To work your way through to the parameter you'd like to adjust, press Set and work your way down. For example, P4 is flashing once. To adjust the parameter, press plus or minus to allow it to either flash once, twice, or 3 times, depending on the parameter. To exit the parameter setting menu, press and hold the Set button for 2 seconds. You're also able to lock the parameter settings once you've programmed them. To do this, you'll need to press Set, plus and minus all together. You'll do this for 5 seconds and they'll flash 5 times. If you press any of the parameter buttons, all the lights will flash and you'll be unable to change any of the settings. To unlock the panel, you would repeat the process by pressing Set, plus and minus